Well, Afghanistan faces vast devastation in the wake of its deadliest earthquake in 2 decades. Homes are crushed and hospitals do not have enough ambulances. Meanwhile, rescuers are racing against time to reach survivors. Their efforts are fraught with challenges, no thanks to poor communication and a lack of proper roads.
بندیباس کو کچره کې اسلامي امارات خلک میته وکاره غدي بغون په بدیا په بایبان کو پروتي کوروتا نشیناته ځکه چې کورونا غون خطرناک دي غون وراته دي غون لیټی دي بچانه مردا وځه لا ودی ته مړ شوم بچان ما ته پروتي وي او زخمیان کانګ سيدي کو سيدي وایله چې لا ودی ته ما لا مړ شوم مخ راسکه ومو زه دا نشه برداشت کولای چې په تو باندې منور کول شي او په بنر زخمی کا یا په تو مړ.
The Ministry of Defense is leading rescue efforts. Officials say about 600 people have been rescued from various areas since last night. And for more on this, we have Faisal Minallah Kazizai. He joins us live from Kabul. Faisal, how are rescue efforts progressing? Reports are saying that hospitals are short of ambulances. I'm afraid we've lost that line now with Mr. Faisal. If we can bring him back later, we certainly shall. Meanwhile, both South Korea and Japan have pledged aid for those affected by the earthquake in Afghanistan. Seoul plans to provide $1 million in humanitarian assistance to victims. While Tokyo says it's cooperating with international organizations to assess the needs of those affected by the disaster and will provide necessary aid.